Okay, welcome everybody. Today you got quite possibly the ugliest robot transformer there was. I didn't realize that until I got him out this morning. Started looking at him, and this just, I mean, everything is awkward about this thing. It stands up good because it got a nice wide base and got good feet, but you know, like even the head looks weird. Just sort of, you know, and I had at least two of these. I remember buying more than one, and of course these are all the accessories I've got left of. You know, all this stuff, his shoulder stock and everything would sort of turn into a cannon, but I've long since lost those pieces. Yeah, there's, oh, let's see if his thermal, yeah, his thermal. Yeah, that Decepticon thermal reactive sticker thing works. It's good. But I mean, it's just getting everything. I mean, I can't believe that I played with these things as much as I did. I was like, this is truly just, I think this is the apex of unplayability. I mean, you can't, you know, his shoulders and at his elbow, and there's no getting around that. I mean, it seems like it's just, I'd really got to give this one poor marks. But, you know, it was Megatron. He was the leader of the Decepticons, so he was, you know, the big bad. But it still seems like they could have done a better job of making this transform. I know they were trying to work with his alt form, but it's still, and of course, you know, you go out of this form and he looks excellent. You know, it's of course, you know, in all honesty, he probably looks too good once you pull him out of robot form. Oh, I think I gotta do the head first. Okay, what? Yeah. Okay, there he goes. Okay, that, and twist the barrel around. I'm glad my channel's not monetized, because this would definitely lose it. I'll have to remember to tick that box when I upload this video that there is a toy firearm on it. Let's see here. Okay, maybe that's gotta go all the way, yeah, all the way down first. Then his arms go up. Okay. Of course. Okay. And those. Okay. Up there. Take his feet in, or his legs in. I've got them misaligned somewhere. Oh, there we go. Like I said, that's actually, you know, I say, for what it is, that's a really good representation of the Walther P-38. And so got the, evidently it was originally designed in 1974. Hasbro released it in 1983. Takara, I'm sure, you know, y'all know the history of they repurposing old toys to be transformers. But let's get right in on that thing. I think this is probably the best one I've had since I started reopening these things. Take it all the way to the blue and let it fade back through. Yeah, it's rare that they actually go through all the colors like that on the ones I've had. Gradually cools back down to black. So I like that. But really, like I said, whenever I've been seeing him down at the bottom of the box, and I thought, well, I'll get to him. He's one of the big names, so I'll get to him later. Then when I got it out this morning and started messing around with it, and then I actually saw what he looked like transformed, I was like, ugh, that's just a terrible. I was extremely disappointed in the way he turned out. But that's what it was in 1983, so I guess I really can't complain. And I got endless amounts of joy out of playing with him and Optimus, and letting Optimus whoop up on him all the time. Let's see, that's I don't remember what this little tab was. These tabs are for. I thought maybe that was when it was to construct the cannon. What helped it stick together? Like I say, here was the handles for the cannon. They folded into part of his rifle stock. And I think that's where it joined up. Maybe that's where, no. Here? No. I was like, it's been too long, and I've lost too many pieces for that to worry too much about that. But that I do remember it turning into, like I say, a cannon. But I say I don't have much to say about him other than just dogging on him like I have been. So I need to stop and be more positive. I've still got him, and I appreciate having him. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And a much better looking Transformers coming on this Friday. Probably the best looking of all the Transformers, in my opinion. Be back with that.